So now we want to find jk, so that'll be a little m and the m, I always label the hypotenuse. I never label opposite and adjacent side because they switch depending on which angle you're looking at. Sometimes the opposite's the opposite side, but sometimes that's the adjacent side. Now with this 65, the 7.6 is an opposite side, right? So then I look at my definitions. And which one is going to help me find little m? Sine again. So, because I've got the opposite, I've got the angle, and I need the hypotenuse. So now I write it out, sine of 65 degrees equals opposite over hypotenuse. And this is harder because the m is on the bottom. Algebraically, how do we solve for this? First, we'd multiply both sides by m to get rid of the fraction, because that's what will be cancel that out. If the m is in the denominator, you won't be able to solve for it. Then I would have m sine 65 equals 7.6. How would I get m by itself now? Sin 65 is a number, right? If you do it on your calculator, it's a number. And then you'd say you divide by that number, right? So instead of doing it on my calculator and having to write all those decimals, what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by sine of 65, because that is a number. That will cancel these ones out, and I'll be left with just m is 7.6 over sine of 65. .38 to the nearest tenth would be 8.4.